Here's how to check if your router has a firmware update available. First is go to the settings of your phone, go to the Wi-Fi options and click on the I logo that you can see so that you will see there the information of the current network that you're connected with. Now go to IPv4 address and go ahead and copy the router configuration number. Afterwards, go to the Safari and then paste on the router configuration address number. And then afterwards, you will be redirected on the website of the configuration network that you're currently in. Now, all you need to do is to put on your username as well as your password and click on login options. Now, once you see that the network that you're currently needs an update under the firmware option, it means it needs update. But if it's not, you will not see any update options. And now you can go ahead and proceed using your Wi-Fi network and just go ahead and call customer service if there's problem.